Hey there, welcome to Profit Path. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Today we're diving into the exciting world of trading. Whether you're looking to start trading stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies, this video is your one-stop guide to getting started. So, what exactly is trading? Simply put, trading is the act of buying and selling assets like stocks, currencies, or cryptocurrencies in the hopes of making a profit. But it's not just about luck. It's about strategy, analysis, and understanding the market. At its core, trading is about buying an asset at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. But remember, trading isn't without risks. That's why it's crucial to have a risk management plan. Ready to place your first trade? First, you'll need to choose a trading platform that suits your needs. Once you're set up, you can start by selecting the asset you want to trade, entering the amount, and clicking Buy or Sell. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what trading topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!